Alright guys, welcome back. We got another unboxing video to do. Some more Milwaukee. I do have an expensive vacuum in the house, but it has a cord. It's kind of annoying. And this here looks pretty versatile. All different attachments go in the car and whatnot, so decided to pick one up. I got the one without the battery, of course. I got some battery laying around. You save a few dollars on it, so let's unbox it and see what we get. Now it's showing we got 4 different configurations you can do. Looks like it's got like a little foot model where you can roll on the floor. Basically kind of a shop vac looking thing. And then I guess like a little get between couch cushions, stuff like that, tool, car seats, and then like a scrub, looks like a scrub brush attachment. This one here is the fuel. Alright, it says including, we got the vacuum, we got power head, floor tool, which I think they sell the power head part where you can put a 12-volt battery and it has like a wheel and everything. I'm not sure if this is one that's electric or not, but we got the floor tool, foam filter, HEPA filter, brush tool, accessory holder, utility tool, it's just like a wide cone. And you have the crevice tool, flexible hose, and an extension wand. So it was $1.99. I'm sure prices vary a little bit here and there, but it's not real bad, I don't believe, for a cordless vacuum. Let's see if we can just pull it out. Maybe it's a tray. It is a tray. That's pretty handy. Instruction manual, blah blah blah, and a book of their 300 tools, which I'm a few hundred tools away from having all 300. Nah, there are some tools like I don't even know what I would do with. So, all right. Main thing is here is okay. Got the little brush dealie. All right, this isn't the one that's powered. I think I've seen one you can buy. This it has like a where you can stick one of your 12-volt batteries into it, and I guess it makes it actual powered. But it spins. How does it spin? Is there an electric hookup? Oh, never mind. There is electric hookup, so this must have a motor in it. So never mind. Never mind. And the main thing we want to see is this dealie. Which way does it go? I guess the underway. Handle's a little kind of odd. Oh, we got our filters right here. Pretty handy to get to. Oh. And then we have another filter on the other side. I guess that's where things can get clogged up. Yeah, there is a little filter right here too. Alright. So easy to get to if it clogs up in this area. You know, hoses are kind of a pain. What's this button? Alright, and then a cartridge pops off. Doesn't look like it holds that much. If you got dogs, you'll understand. Especially this time of year. Alright, little door opens up. Boom. Dump it out pretty easy. Did I close? Yeah, I closed. Forgive me, I'm having a little complications apparently. Let's see, is this battery charge? Yeah, it's battery charge. Let's see the handle here. It's got 2 different power settings. I don't know what this is. It's kind of like maybe that tells you if it's clogged. All right, we'll set it off to the side. It's pretty square. Pretty a square dealie. Well, I'm guessing because it's right here, you're going to be on an angle just like this. Boom, boom, boom. Depending on your size battery, will be like a counterweight. All right, so that's pretty neat. Then we got, what we got here? Scrub brush? No. Oh yeah, okay. It's a little, just a brush dealie for, how'd I even get that on there? For brushing things up, I guess. Yeah, your floor mat has a little sand or something. But you know, I've seen that trick where you take your oscillating tool, you vibrate the floor mat, and all the sand kind of pops up, and you just vacuum it up. So, That's something neat. And you got your little crevice tool. Now, I wonder if I have a Milwaukee shop vac. I wonder if these are the same size. Which I do have a 3D printer now, and there's so much stuff on any 3D print, so I could just make these, which is neat. I'm not trying to plug or nothing, but Bamboo Labs has a pretty reasonably priced one where you plug it in and you go. Now, I see you can get like cheap ones for like 200 bucks and stuff, but you gotta like continuously fiddle, and that kind of annoys me. Which I run into a few little problems now and then, a little bit of filament jam, stuff like that, but fairly simple. All right, it is more of a bendy, so you get your little cone dealy. There's a holder. You're gonna be able to hook all your. We'll just open it up. One thing's kind of annoying is these billions of plastic bags. I'm not an environmental hippie or nothing, but it's just annoying to have piles of bags everywhere. Okay, it looks like it hooks to the wall. When you hang it on the wall, and you probably put your main vacuum, and then I guess your little side pieces. Okay, and then we get just a standard floor one, non-powered. Okay. I guess this is a power model, and this is not a power. Yeah. So this is just quick run around real quick. Grab some light things, keep it light. I wish this would be a metal swivel ball head. People getting on to the plastic. Well, it's got a little, make a suction to the floor, and then it pulls in it. Is this a wet? This may be for a wet. I didn't see it on the box. This says floor tool. Yeah, and then power head tool. Not sure. It almost seemed like it was wet, but I don't know if this is will do wet. I guess we should consult the instructions on that, because it seemed like a wet version. Although we could figure out real quick, because we could take a look at the dustbin. And well, there's a gasket. And it has a little side right here and a big side. That's right on. I guess I should have done research before I unboxed it, but yeah, I figured $200 is cheap for a vacuum and everything, because it just gives you being a foam filter, you wouldn't want to run water through it. Would be my guess. It says dust container. So we have a steam mop. You put water in it and steam vacuum up, whatever. So clean the cyclone chamber, move battery pack, twist lock, blah 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 blah. Yeah. I think it's more for a tile floor or a hardwood floor. Okay. Doesn't say nothing about water, so don't don't hold me to that. All right, and then you got your flexible hose. See what I'm saying about these bags? I got like a billion bags. So when you get a bag, I get it. They're trying to keep it from getting a little scratched up and whatnot. But I got like a bag, 4 freaking bags. At least make it like a bag I can, like a Ziploc bag or something where we can reuse or something. That'd be handy. But anyway, and then got me another bag. Another bag with a bag. Or a, oh wow, that's a metal tube. Okay. Just it's kind of like that old thing where you got to have you buy a pair of scissors, and then you need a pair of scissors to get into your scissors. But okay. Alright. This is sort of a metal tube. That's neat. See, it houses your electrical connections. See, it has the 2 dotty dots, which this has the dot holes, but there is no ends in there. It's just a This locks together. Pretty bulky looking right there. And you just press disconnect. Okay. And then the heavier attachment. Boom. Thing I do notice, I'm not super short, but I'm not like super duper tall either. I mean, that's not bad. It's about arm length. I would have liked a few more inches on it. Where I'm not gonna have to half crutch down. I don't want to run it out here. I don't want to get acorns and stuff in it. Although, we'll see what you'll do. There we go. I'm gonna say it's not bad. It's about pocket height. I'm trying to vacuum up leaves. It's super quiet though. Like, it's quiet. Like, it's quiet. Boom. Now what you could do is, if you want to, like, how does this work? It just goes in there? Okay, see? Boom, you can get in the couch. It doesn't lock in though, which is kind of, you think you'd want it to lock in a little bit, maybe, because if you're going in between the couch cushions, you might pull it out. But I just ran it on the deck real quick, and we did get like a little bit of garbage and acorns and stuff, so I mean, to pick stuff up. Which I don't want it in there. There we go. Oh no, it does not seem too bad. It seems clunky. Like it's, I don't know, its handle's odd to me. Maybe, and I don't use a vacuum. Not really a vacuum person. I'll ask the wife how she thinks it feels. This part's pretty light. This battery's is heavy. This is a 12-volt battery, so that could be the problem. But man, super high, medium. It's quiet. So, and I do like how you can just undo this little piece. It has like a weird chamber. There's a stupid leaf in there. Yeah, and you can just kind of clean that end out real quick. Let's see, filter turns. There's your little, it's like a particle filter, it looks like. And it's on the one side, and then the other side. Whoop. Oh, there's like many filters. There's 3 filters then. And you got like this foam filter, and then you have a little HEPA filter. I wonder if it's the same as the other vacuum. Which would be nice if it was the same filter where you ain't gotta get a bunch of different filters. Oop. But yeah, there you have it. It's not bad. I don't mind it. I'm gonna run it. You know, like I said, my husky there, he's shedding a good bit now, so looks like our little goat's going crazy. Gotta keep an eye out. I had one was screaming like that, and I went out to check on it, and it broke its leg like real bad, so I had to fix that up. But anyway, it seems pretty neat. I like it. Like I said, I'll test it out. I'm not sure the battery drainage, how fast it'll drain batteries. I probably just, the smallest I got is 5.0, so I'll probably just switch over to that, because the 12-volt battery is it's heavy. So anyway guys, do like and subscribe. We'll see how things go. The weather's getting, it's kind of poopy out. It's like rain. It's pretty high humidity, but eventually we got some concrete works to come up. Tool shed, pool house, sidewalk. We're gonna go pick up a Harbor Freight. We're gonna go pick up a Harbor Freight concrete mixer. We'll do I guess an assembly video, because it's probably in a million parts. And then we'll use it. So stay tuned, and I do appreciate you guys for watching. Let me know if you got one of these vacuums and how she does, how the ergonomics feel to you. Me, I think the tube could be a hair longer, and this thing could be more I understand like the hard part where to put the battery. It probably could have went front part, and this could have been a little more curved, but what do I know? So boom, see you.